you start a business as a freelance copywriter without any money? Hi, I'm Christa Nichols. I'm a freelance copywriter for 7, 8, and 9-figure entrepreneurs, and I train freelance copywriting moms how to grow their businesses. I've got a bunch of questions from a Facebook group full of new copywriters. I'm going to answer them one by one in TikToks. So look for me in this shirt to see more answers to commonly asked questions from freelance copywriters. Now here's the answer to that question. You can definitely start a freelance copywriting business with no money. All you need is a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and a social media profile to begin to stand out and attract clients, book discovery calls, and start writing projects. Check out books from the library for free to learn copywriting principles. You can subscribe to YouTube channels that have tons of tutorial videos on how to write copy that converts. You can spend time building relationships with business owners and entrepreneurs. You can do outreach organically on social media. All of those things are free. It's going to take time, but not money. What if time is not on your side? Or what if you just want to go faster? You want to skip all the guesswork, keep over obstacles? Well, then you're going to want to invest a copywriting course or a coach, something that can help you go from A to Z with a clear, proven blueprint, processes and systems that can help cut down on the time that you're spending by just telling you and giving you the things that you need to get started strong. I have a program like this. It's called the Wordy Mama Copywriting Academy. It has everything inside that I use every single day inside my freelance copywriting business, which has generated $1.5 million in the last 5 years. For more information about Wordy Mama Copywriting Academy, click the link in the bio. But yes, the answer is you can definitely do it for free. It'll just take longer. Follow for more tips for freelance copywriters.